So rhythm is a pattern of short, long sounds of music. What do you think is this one? Short or long? Short. This one? Long. When I do this? Short. When I do this? Short. When I do this? Short. When I do this? Long. So that is what we call rhythm. Alright? So let's try this. Tiger, rabbit, alligator, cat. Everybody? Tiger, rabbit, alligator, cat. One time. Tiger, rabbit, alligator, cat. Okay. Now this time, while we are saying the word, we're gonna clap our hands. Okay? Ready? And go. Tiger, rabbit, alligator, cat. One more time. Tiger, rabbit, alligator, cat. That is what we call as rhythm. Okay? That is the short and long sounds of music. So first, we're going to learn about what we call the notes. Who is familiar with what we call the notes? Okay, did you see some notes already? Yes or no? Yes, who says yes? Bob your head if he says yes. Or if your answer is yes, you clap your hand. So this, okay, good. We have one over there. All right.
Teacher,
Yes. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much, everyone.
pwede i-kanang i-play katong ilang ikanta ganina.
Then let them sing.
Let everybody sing.
Okay.
Okay, who will lead? Where's the leader?
Si-
everyone, survey.
So, Galarpin.
Survey,
Si Galarpin.
Ma'am, Ichita.
This game.
Okay, wait.
Sibat mo si Galarpin. Asi ka na, teacher, ito na lang mag...
Okay. Okay, it goes like this. Five little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a to be a twinkle star. How did Garbo be buttered? The sound of the cat. Meow. Very good. Okay, let's try it one more time. Ready and go. Five little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo na nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a twinkle star. How did Garbo batutig? Sound of the cat. Meow. Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause.
Atong di magkanta kay ipang-aksyon daw.
Like that.